new character name is AJ Olafsky.
I am Ava E. Robinson.
Hi, I'm Sadie. I'm Eugene. And I'm Ruby.
Since this is our last day to use goanimate video reactor, so we're going to watch Caillou and Dora steal a fight of Jeff/Fire missiles into their school/go to CEC/punishment day.
And anyways, let's watch it.
Get up. It's time to go to school.
Boris points a gun on him for waking him up, so he can get ready for school day.
I advise getting
Okay.
in my car now.
Nah,
he's about to
I'm
get
actually
off his
pretty
bed and prepare
suicidal
for
at this
breakfast with
point,
his dad.
so screw it. Just shoot me.
Dang it. I really thought that would work to get you out of bed. Let's try this. If you don't get in the car right this instant, then I'm gonna sell your Fortnite account. How does that sound?
Oh no, Daddy, please don't do that. I promise I will.
Oh, yes, he's gonna sell your Fortnite account.
Huh,
Your
I knew
dad
that
is
would
gonna
get
do
you
it
there.
right now,
Little
or
does he
else
know
your
I'm just
Fortnite
gonna
is
do
gone
it
forever.
anyway while he's at school. I'll probably use the money to buy myself some drugs and alcohol.
Hey Dad, ever wonder why the car always looks like there's no one in it from the outside? I think it could be because Samster was just too lazy to make it look otherwise, but I don't know for sure.
Well,
Why are you crying?
It's so sad. The fourth wall has just been brutally murdered. The funeral is this weekend, Caillou. You'd better behave.
Ha, very funny.
I guess he'd better behave himself.
You know the drill. Behave, and don't do anything stupid. I'll be waiting at home with my MP5 just in case.
Yeah, I know.
I guess he's going to the classroom to Miss Martin.
What? I swear to God, all I did was walk into the freaking classroom and you're already doing your crap
Oh my
at me.
god.
What
How
on
did
earth
Miss
is
Martin
your
was doing
problem, teacher?
apostrophe S stuck at him.
you were 1
I
second
don't
late to
even
school.
believe it, AJ.
You were supposed to be
Caillou
here at
was the one
8:30
who was late
exactly,
to
but the
class,
clock
and
said
his teacher
8:30
got
and 1
so
second
mad
when
at
you
him
walked
for being
in.
tardy
This
at
is
school.
unacceptable.
He's
You
supposed to be
really
in
need to
school
work
early.
on being more punctual. If you continue to show up late, I will have to give you detention.
Wow, wow.
A
You're
detention.
insane.
How's a
Meth
detention
is
is
one
gonna
heck of a
do?
drug, I guess.
Detention
you know
is the
what?
consequence
I'm
in
not
which
even gonna
students are
try and
required to
argue
remain
with
in a
you,
presumably
because in the end
undesirable
it'll
place
just
for a
result in
specified
me
amount
getting
of time
punished in
outside
some
of
way.
school hours.
You win.
Typically,
Methead.
detentions are served after school.
Caillou, how dare you call me a meth head? This, coupled with the fact that you were late today, means detention for you after school. I hope you're looking forward to it, idiot.
This, I'm on Blog TV with my hands up. I'm not starting my self. You stupid.
What is he trying to cuss his teacher like that? How about this?
Really?
You now have detention after school for the next 2 weeks. Take it, you stupid bald piece of trash.
One very long and painful school day later.
I hate
Slamming the door
my
like this.
teacher so freaking much. Thanks to her, I
Well,
have to
that was
waste
so
an hour
funny,
of my
as usual it
after-school
does.
time sitting in detention for the next 2 weeks. And to think that this all started with me being 1 second late to school. Hello?
Oh my gosh.
Why does Dora is doing suspension for, and she was wondering her teacher was mad as hell for being late for class. Off a cliff.
She was crying for
That's
being
such
tardy in
bullcrap.
class.
Everyone
Just
at our
like
school
Caillou was
does
late for
drugs,
class.
so they have no reason
Or
to
maybe
punish
she's
just you
gonna
for
sit
it.
down and play video games when her MOM told her to get off.
As well?
Oh, that's right.
One explanation later.
Wow, that really sucks.
Sure does.
Hey, I don't know about you, but I think it's about time we get revenge on both of our teachers.
I agree. Do you have anything in mind that we could do to teach them a lesson?
We could always just steal some guns from the weapons shop and shoot them.
May, that seems kinda lame. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we sneak into the Go City Air Force Base, steal a fighter jet, and blow the school to smithereens using missiles? We can be sure to do it during school hours as well so that we actually end up killing some people.
That sounds good to me.
Perfect. Just meet me at the base at 9 a.m. tomorrow and we'll get to blowing our school up.
Sounds good.
Wait a
I'll
minute.
see you then.
Did I just
Cool.
heard
See
Caillou and
you
Dora
later.
are going to steal the jet airplane and blow up the school?
Yes.
Well, here we are. Dora should be arriving any minute now.
Hi, Caillou.
Look,
I
here
made it.
comes Dora.
Hey, Dora.
And that she
Ready to
finally
break
meets
into this
Caillou
aircraft
to go to
and
a
do
military
this?
jet.
I sure am. I have one question though. How are we going to manage to break in?
I don't know. I guess I'll try punching the crap out of it, since that seemed to work to get into my dad's car when we went ghost hunting.
No! Whoa!
Wow, that hurt
Caillou
like
just hit the
crazy.
door and it hurts
Let's
really
see
bad.
if I did anything.
Yeah.
Holy frick, we're in? I didn't expect that to actually work.
Wow. I have no idea how it's possible for a small fighter jet to have the cockpit of a commercial airliner. Go animate logic, I guess.
Well, time to get to flying this thing.
And there they go. They're about to fly up in the air and shoot the whole school up.
Man, this thing sure is fast. I can already see the school off in the distance.
Caillou?
Yes, Dora?
I just realized that neither one of us actually have any idea how to fire the missile.
Oh, we'll be fine. I'll just press random buttons until I manage to fire them.
Speaking of that, you'd better fire them off now, as we're starting to get really close to the school.
Now they're in the school for what? Where did Caillou and Dora go?
I think they mentioned something about stealing a military jet airplane and blowing up your school, Miss Martin.
Looks like Caillou
I
decided
think
to
it will
be a no-show
for Miss
today.
Martin.
I
and
bet
she
he thinks
understands
he's
the
being
work for
real
some
clever
reasons,
by
but
skipping
she's very
school so he
confused.
won't have to go to detention. Anyways, class, it's time to start math. Pull out your textbooks and turn to page 4.
Oh my god. I just saw an explosion that Caillou and Dora destroyed the whole school building. They just ruined it.
Yes. We got them. Take that, teachers.
Man, this is awesome. You know, I almost feel like we should go somewhere to celebrate getting revenge on our teachers.
Great idea. How about Chuck E. Cheese's? I haven't
Chuck E.
been able to
Chance's.
go there forever since
That
I
would be
can't
great.
ever get my dad to take me there. You gotta love that recycled pizza.
Chuck E. Cheese as it is.
So these parents are
Wow,
about to ground
seriously,
Caillou and Dora for
Samster?
destroying the
I
school
never would have
building in the
expected
first
our
place.
parents to randomly teleport into Chuck E. Cheese's with that insanely overused sound effect playing. I mean, the same thing has only happened in like a million other Blend grounded videos. Really, you seem to have totally given up.
I want to die.
Mom, Dad,
Oh, really?
Abuela,
They're
what are
about
you
to
guys
die
doing
because
here?
of it for destroyed this
You know something else that we're doing here, Dora? We heard about everything on the news.
I don't know why they blow up the whole school building and then the parents decide to TV news.
As soon as
They just DNT freaking believe that they saw the news on TV saying that Caillou and Dora blows the school building up, and every student and staff are killed. And they're about to get out of punishment day with their parents for breaking things.
One of the worst things you have ever done. Besides that time you set off a nuke and out the whole city.
Well, that was a lot of ear rape. Now shall we get going and get this punishment day over with?
Sure.
First
Now they're in the
punishment,
kitchen,
drinking toxic
and they are
orange
going to
juice.
drink
Well,
toxic
Dora,
orange
I
juice.
think we might as well just
Great
drink it,
routine.
as I've already learned that refusing will only cause additional punishments to be added on.
my god, it's so freaking bad. Oh my god, it tastes so freaking bad. Please kill me.
Punishment 2. Listening to Nyan Cat for 5 hours. And yes, we are going to make it a rape just to maximize you guys' suffering. We'll let you know when
Oh,
you're
I
done
love
this
Yin
up.
Cat music.
Enjoy.
Wow, this is going to suck.
Alright, it's
stop
been 5
dancing.
hours. Time for the next punishment.
What? I
Yay,
can't
what?
quite hear you.
The next punishment is the cold shower.
A slime shower.
Get in there.
God, this feels so gross. Someone please get me out of here.
Punishment
4. Being
Be in
forced
their
to
room,
watch
and they
scary
are
movies.
watching
Oh
scary
no,
movies.
no.
Parents,
Do it. I freaking hate scary movies.
Oh my god. There is a maximum going to make Caillou and Dora scared.
Turn it off.
Nobody wants to turn it off.
They can do anything they want for destroying the whole school area with Nick missile.
Just freaking deal with it.
Oh my god. Caillou and Dora are starting to make their reviews.
Already
What somebody help? I think I'm traumatized for life now. Nobody gives a damn, Dora. And now, and everything that you did is destroying things to the double and kill the teacher, Miss Martin.
What the actual frick? This punishment makes no sense. How
Well, it
does
makes
one
no
get
sense
sent
after
to a
you guys
Lego?
destroying the
It's
whole
not like
school area
Legos
with
are
Miss
actual
Martin.
places or anything like that.
Well, this is goanimate, so anything's possible. Plus the requester asked for this punishment to be in the video, so you can bet we're doing it.
Unless they can bet we're doing it because they're about to die in the BND.
Prepare to get sent away using the power of goanimate logic.
Please send Kayla and Dora into the BND TV now.
Wow.
Hey, that wasn't actually all that bad.
I know. All we had to do was watch a couple of logos. What a light punishment.
Wait a second. How are we supposed to get out of here?
You don't. If we were to let you back into the real world, then this would be way too light of a punishment. I'm afraid you two are just going to have to stay here forever.
Whoa! Whoa!
Now, this BND scares Caillou and Dora and us too.
And the parents can do whatever they want for let Kayla and Dora destroy the whole school area. So thanks for watching our video this week. Kayla and Dora steal a fighter jet, fire missiles into their school, or go to CEC Punishment Day video.
Comment down below as you see Caillou and Dora are giving a punishment day over the evening.
And thanks for watching.
Bye.